and the ever-evolving landscape of project management. The rise of artificial intelligence in Scrum environments has sparked a compelling debate. Can AI ever fully replace the human touch in Agile management? As we integrate more AI tools into our processes, it's crucial to evaluate the balance between AI data-driven capabilities and the nuanced, empathetic approach that human teams bring. AI in Scrum. AI role in Scrum is primarily seen in its ability to handle large datasets efficiently, automate routine tasks, and provide analytical insights that can streamline decision-making processes. For instance, AI can predict project bottlenecks, optimize resource allocation, and even suggest improvements in workflows based on historical data. However, Scrum isn't just about efficiency. It's about adaptability and team dynamics. Human teams excel in areas where emotional intelligence plays a key role, such as negotiating scope changes with clients, resolving conflicts within teams, or brainstorming creative solutions to unexpected problems. These are aspects where AI, as of now, cannot fully replicate the human touch. The human-AI collaboration. Instead of viewing AI as a replacement for human roles in Scrum, we should consider it as a complement that enhances team capabilities. For example, AI can free up team members from mundane tasks, allowing them to focus more on strategic planning and creative problem solving. This synergy can lead to a more productive and engaged team environment. Moreover, incorporating AI into Scrum can lead to more data-informed decisions without sacrificing the human elements of empathy and understanding that are crucial for project success. For instance, AI-enhanced tools can provide real-time feedback on team morale and project status, which leaders can use to make empathetic personnel decisions. Challenges and considerations. While the integration of AI offers numerous benefits, it also presents challenges such as data privacy concerns, the need for constant upskilling, and potential over-reliance on technology, which might dilute the Agile spirit of flexibility and human-centered focus. Engaging the community. What has been your experience with AI in Agile environments? Do you view AI as a threat to the Agile ethos, or as a tool that can enhance human capabilities within your teams? Share your thoughts, and let's explore how AI and human expertise can coexist to create a more robust Agile practice. This discussion is not just academic. It's a real-world issue that affects how we manage projects and lead teams. As we continue to navigate this terrain, let's keep the conversation going to harness the best of both worlds in our Scrum practices.